Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, looking like we are actually breaking out right now today, running to the upside here. Very, very interesting indeed to be seeing some of this price action recently for Bitcoin. It really has been showing a lot of strength over the past few weeks, especially in the face of all the nonsense that we've been seeing in the regular financial world. Banks collapsing, the world's gone to shit. We've got wars, we've got inflation, we've got all kinds of nonsense. And then looking at the Bitcoin price here, wow. I mean, we're having a really pretty interesting move at the minute today. You can see we're at around 27k right now, which is the highest price that we've been at since, what is this? June last year, which is very interesting, isn't it? And you can see on my chart here, I've had all of this marked out for such a long time now. You can see obviously big bear market resistance here. We've had this big range that we were in before. I've obviously thrown the Fibonacci on from the high of the bull market down to the current low of this bear market as well. But really showing a lot of signs at the minute that Bitcoin might be entering at the very least a fairly considerable kind of consolidation period, maybe. Also thinking about potentially as well a little bit of a sorry about that. There was a cat scratching on my window. That was so weird. Anyway, as we can see here, looking like Bitcoin right now is essentially doing what it needs to be doing, but looking very strong whilst it's doing it as well, isn't it? You can see here the big long range that we're in for a while. We'll come down with the FTX collapse, overextension to the downside. Everyone thinking, we're going to go lower and lower and lower, but really just showing a lot of strength for Bitcoin. You can see here, come back up to the upside here, back inside the range, breaking out the bear market resistance, getting a back test, run up to the top of the range again, rejection, but then coming down and back testing this level again really nicely. And you can see here Bitcoin, really nice move to the upside again. We tried to get that breakout a few days ago, but we got rejected. We came back down, looking like we were coming back down, breakout, back test, consolidation. And now today, looking like we are running up here. We've come up and we've made a new higher, a new swing high in this area again, really heading up towards that next level of resistance, which I did say would be at around that 27.4k, that 038 Fibonacci. But I mean, Bitcoin right now, ooh la la, looking like it's showing a lot of signs of potential bull market territory right now, isn't it? You can see in this local area we've made clear higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend ever since we came down really from that FTX collapse. A very nice little uptrend that we have been in for a little while, which is really cool to see, isn't it? And obviously now we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next with Bitcoin. I do think that realistically we're probably going to be looking at hitting some of these resistances here. Obviously a huge area of resistance in between that 038 Fibonacci and up at around that 28.5k level, which was that previous support here. You can see we had that consolidation, that massive descent, consolidation, descent. But now looking like we are starting to get back up through our levels. And, with breaking out of that bear market resistance and having such a good backtest and bounce, Bitcoin right now looking quite strong, isn't it? And I'm excited to say that we're looking quite bullish. So we'll wait and see what happens next. Right now, I'd probably be looking to only be taking long positions on Bitcoin, really. I'd say the only position I'd be looking to take would be something like this. If we came back down to the top of that range again and back tested it, I'd be looking to take a long position most likely. Because in my opinion, probably be looking at doing something like this. This is the breakout now, and then if we come up, hit that 038, we could get rejected here, or we could just keep going up and up and up, because Bitcoin looking very strong right now. But I'd say realistically I'd be looking to taking long positions on a back test. But really right now Bitcoin looking very exciting, and I can't wait to see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord, where we're hanging out most days with other investors. So if you do want to get a bit of an edge on the markets, that'd be a great way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.